I'm Jacob Avero.
I'm Connor Pace.
And I'm Jake Whitaker, and we're your varsity football captains. Friday night, 7 o'clock, we're playing the Platte Panthers at home. Wear white, be there.
Here's a white out!
White out!
Good morning, WHS. Today is Wednesday, September 18th, 2019.
Good morning, Eagles. Welcome to Blue Eagle News, information for the students by the students. I'm Audra Saladin.
And I'm Dana Andrews. Seniors, it's time to submit your yearbook quote. The submission form can be found online through the WHS homepage. Go to the yearbook page and click on Forms and Submissions. Your quote must be school appropriate and accurately sourced. The deadline for quotes is October 18th. See Miss Griffin or Miss George in the LMC if you have any questions.
There will be a National Art Honor Society meeting on Tuesday, September 24th after school in room 22. Anyone interested in the Arts Community Service Organization is welcome to attend the meetings.
Freshmen, are you interested in running for class office? Be your class's president, vice president, secretary, or treasurer for the 1920 school year and help make important decisions for the class of 2023. Interested individuals should see Mr. Miller in room 506 for an application. Completed applications are due Friday, September 20th in room 115 by 2:30 p.m.
Kick off Spirit Week this Monday by representing your favorite sports team with their jersey.
Tuesday is Twin Day / Squad Day.
Wednesday is Color Day. Seniors should wear blue, juniors should wear yellow, sophomores should wear red, and freshmen should wear green. And faculty and staff should wear purple.
Thursday is Hawaiian Day.
And Friday is School Spirit Day. The pep rally will take place Friday at 1 p.m. on Catone. If you'd like to participate in the pep rally games, sign up with your friends in room 115.
We'll keep reminding you that it's never too early to think about post-high school plans. Here are the colleges that are visiting WHS over the next couple of days. Today, Bay Path University and Roger Williams University are showcasing their schools, and tomorrow, the 19th, Anna Maria College and Plymouth State University are being represented. Please make sure you go to the school counseling office for times and to get a pass to attend.
The Fall Blood Drive is coming up on September 25th. The group will be recruiting donors every day this week during lunch waves. If you are at least 17 years old, please consider donation. Stop by the table and talk to one of our volunteers. It's a good day to save lives. And now, Xavier with the yoke.
Why can't I buy a boat? Because it wasn't on sale.
It's time for our first featured photo from Exposures, the photography club. This submission is titled Up Close and Personal with Number 40 by senior Joseph Casaneri, who states he was captivated by the reflection of the orange and blue tones on the otherwise monotone color palette of the metal and by the crisp, colorful reflections in the locomotive's headlight. Nice job, Joe.
Love traveling? Interested in science, technology, engineering, or math? Want to visit Germany and Switzerland in the summer of 2021? Come to an informational meeting for a trip to Europe on Thursday, October 3rd at 6 p.m. in the Library Media Center. Can't make the meeting? See Mrs. Belanger in room 502 for the trip information.
Weathersfield has an excellent police training program if you are interested in public safety, serving your community, or would like an opportunity to train with police officers. Check out the Weathersfield Police Department Police Cadets. There is an open house this Thursday, September 19th from 6 to 8 p.m. at the Weathersfield Police Department.
The Bicycle Club is getting together for their first ride this Friday, September 20th. Consider joining this chill group. Pick up your blue member form from Mr. Brown in room 401 so you can participate. Stop by and see Mr. Brown in room 401 with any questions.
Art Rich Photography will be taking yearbook photos of seniors tomorrow and Friday in room 210. This is it, the last reminder. Only pictures taken by Art Rich will be in the yearbook. See Miss Griffin in the Media Center if you have any questions. And now, Jimmy with sports.
Thanks, guys. And now with the season in full swing, it's time for some scores. Varsity and JV football both won big this week, with varsity beating Hartford Public on the road 49-0 and JV beating Nonawag 22-12. Boys soccer last week beat E.O. Smith 3-2, with Max Karkos scoring 2 of the 3 goals. Field hockey beat Lewis Mills 4-0, and unfortunately girls soccer lost to Tolland 1-0. Finally, this Friday, girls soccer will host New Britain for an afternoon matchup, and varsity football plays their first home game against the Platte Panthers. It's going to be a whiteout, so make sure to wear those white shirts. First 100 fans get white pom-poms. And JV football will be back to playing on Saturday mornings at 10 a.m. Back to you guys in the studio.
If you haven't done it yet, mark your calendars for next week's fundraisers to help our school teams. The Eagles hockey team is looking for your support on September 23rd at Puerto Vallarta from 3 to close. The WHS dance team is holding a fundraiser on September 24th at On the Border. Bring the flyer or tell them you're there to represent our dance team. And now, Mr. Maltese with some important information.
This is Mr. Maltese from the High School Athletic Department, and I hope you've had a great start to your school year. As our fall sports season is just underway, I have some informational items for you. Coming in October, the high school will participate again in Pinktober. Pink t-shirts will be available for $5, and you could purchase one in the main office or the athletic office. This Friday is our first home football game. You can buy a season ticket for $5, which breaks down to $1 per game, including the Thanksgiving Day game. Tickets are available in the athletic office or at the ticket booth Friday night prior to kickoff. I hope that everyone who is following us on social media has been on Instagram and is following the Wethersfield High School Athletic Department at Wethersfield High School. All lowercase at Wethersfield High School. And finally, if you've yet to get involved in the athletic department this year and would like to be a part of Unified Sports, I encourage you to come down on Tuesday next week, September 24th, to Gym B at 2:20 p.m. as we will start Unified Soccer. All levels of play are encouraged to attend. Thanks again, and have a great day.
Earn college credit by taking Accounting, Marketing 1, or Personal Finance this year, including Semester 2. The last date to enroll is September 27th. Please see your school counselor or your business teacher for the form. See Mr. Palazzo in room 222 with any questions.
And last, the Movie Club will be hosting their first meeting Friday the 20th in room 23 right after school. See Christina Hoda or Audrey Mainville.
To stay informed with school news and announcements, follow us on Instagram at BlueEagle TV 411. You can also find us on Facebook and Twitter at BlueEagle TV.
Be sure to pay attention to the digital bulletins for things you should know about clubs, activities, and other important information.
If you have an announcement or recognition that you would like to share with our WHS family, please email BlueEagleNews at blueeagles@wethersfield.me.
Until next time, this is Audra Saladin.
And I'm Dana Andrews for Blue Eagle News.